Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix this error code, which is going to be on the login error on Blizzard or Battle.net. This is going to be the only video that you'll always or only need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, the main reason of you having this problem is going to be caused by your internet. So first thing, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and on Battle.net, click on open file location, simply on the shortcut as well. And once you're on the launcher page, simply go to properties, go to security and click on edit, and then give it full control on everything. So all restricted application packages, systems, administrators, users, interactive, everything has full control. Now simply click on OK. On compatibility settings, go ahead and make sure you check mark this, run this program as admin. Now all you need to do is run a couple codes on command prompt as an administrator. Simply run ipconfig space, let me just go ahead and do it again, ipconfig space / flush DNS, just like that, and your DNS resolver cache is flush. Now all you need to do is net sh space winsock space reset, restart your computer, and your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one.